guys, aalis na tayo. Iwan natin yung ilaw pa. Ano guys, pupunta na tayo ng birthday. Ano itong ilaw namin? Uy, parang disco party, oh. Tingnan nyo. Sira na tayo itong ano niya, itong socket niya. Ay, Diyos ko. Ay, Lord. Dito na sa kabila na iwan. So, yun guys, pupunta tayo ng ano, ng birthday party, yung na-invite kami, no? Birthday party. So, ngayon, nakabihis na ako, guys. Grabe yung stress na mga pinagdaanan. At ito na din si Ayla. Ayan, nasa car seat na si Ayla. Ready to go na si Ayla, guys. Nandiyan na yung sasakyan, guys. Parating na. 2 minutes daw. So, Christian, bring the bag. That's your thing. Ano pag nakalimutan ko? Baka wala naman na. Yeah, so, we're going to the party. What are you doing? You have to take this, ha? Take with you.
No.
Kusang ka na hold, Ayla? May attitude. May attitude si Christian, guys. Kanina pa kasi yan siya na, nainis ba na gusto niya na lumabas. So, ikaw ba naman, kanina pa, sana kami lalabas, pero, ay, Diyos ko, wala pa. Paano ka naman lalabas sa maaga, guys? Kasi marami kayong ayos. May newborn, may 4 years old. Siyempre, ano talaga, kailangan naka-run. So, yeah, ngayon ako ako yung pinakalas na nag-ayos. Kasi nga, inuuna ko itong mga bata, nagpump ako kasi gusto ko magdala ng gatas para hindi ako mahirapan kay Ayla pag napadede ba. Ganon. So, yun, nag-antay na kayo ng taxi 2 minutes. Sabi 2 minutes na hindi ko naalis. 2 minutes. So, yeah. I said, stop moving. Let me see your clothes. Stop moving because your clothes gonna be dirty. Wala. Nakaka na sa mundo. Ano ko mga bata ko. Stop moving, King. Don't go there. You going to the birthday, Christian? Yeah? Smart yan si Christian. Ito niya, very smart, oh. Very handsome, see? Very handsome yan, guys. So, yeah. Ay, hindi pa siya umalis, King. Even not moving, King, look. Naku, 2 minutes yan. Baka buti yan 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Ito kasi minsan gano'n pa ng mga driver. Ina-accept nila yung ride. Tapos, hindi pa sila umalis. Dapat kapag ina-accept yung rides, dapat alis na agad, di ba? Hindi eh. Dapat hindi mo na i-accept para iba na lang mag-ano sa amin ba? Mag-asikaso. Kasi ako may newborn eh. Ano ako dito baka iiyak ba? Oh, stop! Oh, why are you in the bin? Don't go there. So, itong batang ito, madumi talaga ang damit ngayon. Yeah, that's a monkey truck. Okay. Where's Uncle? Oh, look, Uncle na, please. Yeah, look. Yeah, stop. It's not moving it, isn't it? Yeah, it's not. Hindi na gumagalaw. Hindi gumagalaw yung sasakyan. So, ito yung baby, guys. Ayan. Say hi, Ayla, auntie. Uncle, we're going to the birthday party. Grabe, nakabuka ka. Wala ko dyan, eh. Ayan, yun, guys. Ayan. Nakaslip siya. Mabuti hindi siya umiyak, guys. Kasi pag umiyak pa yan, hindi ko na alam kung paano ako mag-start ng mga gagawin ko. It's not moving. Just Lord, cancel na siguro yan, King. It's not moving, eh. So why he accept and then it's not moving? Annoying, isn't it?
Need to call him. I need to call
I don't know why he's not moving. He's not normal.
Ankle.
Sino ba yan?
You need to call ankle.
No, don't call.
Why?
Maybe he's eating or what. So, ito yung damit ko, guys. Dress. Ito yung dress ko na binili nung nakaraan. Kami nag-food shopping. Binili ako ng dress. Gusto ko lang siya, yung kulay. Talagang na-attract ako sa kulay. I don't know about the design. Kung maganda yung design. Design mo din. Yeah, let's go eh. Alis na tayo, guys. Ang dami yung taxi. Dito na kami sa loob ng taxi. O, diba? Nakayanan din. Ayan. Tapos ayan si Ayla. Ayan. Safe na safe din si Ayla. Naka-car seat siya. So, ayan. Napunta na tayo doon. Siguro mga ano lang, no? 5 minutes. 5 minutes siguro. Ay, pa yung pawis ko. Ikaw pa naman. Dalawang anak na yung kaso. Tapos, grabe yung errands. Say hi. Yan. So, yan. Parang hindi maganda yung, I think we forgot your jacket. Yeah, it's cold. Is it not? Babang natin ito kasi mainit. Ayan, gusto ko yung may ano, medyo, ano pala yung ano. Grabe yung pawis ko. Grabe. Stress pa more. Ayan guys. So, yeah. Doon na tayo. Huwag makulit, King. Hi, Olivia! So, we are in the party. Yeah. So, the kids is... Oh, kids na lang. Christian! Because this one's good for vlogging. I know. Why do you want to start YouTube?
I have YouTube.
How many subscribers?
493.
And how many watch hours? You said 4,000.
No, the watch hours is the problem. It's not many.
Abby! What's that? What's this? Sticker? Is this stickers? Oh, happy birthday. It says. Nabi! Nabi! Handsome Nabi! Hi, Nabi. Where is Spider-Man? Nabi, where's Spider-Man? Very good.
Be careful sa movie kasi may there is
Hey, happy. It's Henry's birthday. Yay!
Happy birthday, Henry! There's a card. Shall we check that? It's a toy. Shall we check it out? Oh, yeah. I wasn't like...
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Meet my friends. Oh, my friend. Meet Selma. And she got two baby too, like me. Oh my God, stressful kids. Look at that.
Mom life.
Very confident mommy. Yeah.
I try.
Diba sana ganun, no? Yung mga mommy is very confident, even stressed
but
in the
we can
house.
open it.
But you need to be confident. Yeah, Selma. So you want me to film you? What?
Oh, yeah. The little...
Christian, don't touch anything, okay?
It's the dress, yeah, like little dress from Primark, and then some shoes from Tesco, I think these are. So I went for the black ones anyways, but yeah, that's it.
It's like single, ah.
Hey?
You act like single. It's like,
Really?
yeah, no, you look like single ba? Like, no kids at all. Hi, Ayla. Yeah, it's like no kids at all. So this is Salma's son. Christian, behave, okay? That's not your car. You have to behave, my love. Oh my God, they're trying to... Look, oh, they're trying to drive now with your key. Hmm?
Kyla,
Christian, behave, ha?
can I have that please? Thank you. Oh my goodness, don't
Where is it?
feed the baby.
Where's the key? Oh my God, it's gone now. There you go. There you go.
Baby's name, what's baby's name?
Ayla. Yeah, Ayla. Hi, Olivia. So pretty, baby. Olivia. Smile. He's very pretty.
No.
Christian, don't touch anything. I told you.
Kyla.
Yeah, gaya ng mga bata, guys, no? Naku. Very naughty.
Home with me, she's so cute. Stop it.
Nakakatuwa naman dito, guys. Natapos na yung party, so pauwi na kami. Inaantay ko na lang talaga yung asawa ni Shea para andun na sa bahay na para napagod na kami, guys. As in, pagod na talaga kami. So, yeah. There you go.
This is Isla's mommy. She's so cute. No wonder Ayla is so beautiful.
Guys, nandito na kami sa bahay. Alam niyo ba guys? Ay, ano pala, hinatid kami ng asawa ni She. At saka, ito, look, oh, King. Henry's mom gave to Ayla the gift. Wow, look at this dress. Oh, so cute. Look at this, guys, oh. So, nandito. No, don't kick that, huh? Go now, remove your shoes. No, not normal. Okay, nandito na kami sa bahay, guys. Umiyak si Ayla. Yeah, that's fine. That's normal. Yeah. Oh, baby. It's crying. I know. Oh, you want milk na? Baby wants milk na? Yeah. Okay. Hmm? No, yeah, that's normal. Don't kick it, okay? Right. Sit down na. Pabigyan natin ng milk si Ayla, guys. Kasi gusto niya drink ng milk. Yeah, look at this, baby. Ang gulo ng ng sala. Look at this, baby. Look. Hi. Hi, Ayla. Baby, you want milk? I don't want some milk. Yeah? Okay. Right. Yeah. Milk, mommy. I want some milk, mommy. Dito sa bahay. Dito na, guys. Oh, nakakadili tayo kay Ayla. Weird. Christian, you want drink? I think I'll open the cupboard. The one with the crisp. There's a juice, apple juice there. Yeah? Go down and open the cupboard. There with the crops. With the crop. What's that? Oh, that's baby oil. That's for Ayla. Oh, be careful. It's gonna fall. Put it back, bait. Where's the cover of that? I think the cover. Look, the cover is down there. We give it somewhere there. There. Check the cover there in the floor. I think somewhere there. Yeah, it's not there. There, give it to me. Yeah. Cover it. Come on. Yeah, come on. Close it. Where's the remote? Now turn the telly on now.
Shall I cook it?
Where's the remote?
Shall I cook it? Shall I cook it?
Someone cook it.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Someone took it. Someone took it. Someone took it down. Yeah, it's a prank. It's a prank. Pwede lang Ayla, ha? Drink milk, my love. Christian, you grizzly bear. Grizzly bear. Why? Oh, that's cool. Spider-Man. Is it not tight for you? Not mad. Not mad. Oh, very loose. Not tight, very loose. What time is it? Hey Siri, what time? Siri is not answering. Diba, gutom na gutom si Ayla, oh. Drink pa rin siya, oh. Ayla. Why? Come here, say I love you to mommy, come on. Say to I love you, mommy, because I'm filming, come on. Say, come on.
I love you, mommy.
Oh, I love you, King. Kiss Ayla. Diba? Love you daw si mami niya.
I love you.
I love you guys. Be careful. I love you guys din daw, sabi ni King. O pati kayo, nag-love you na si King sa inyo guys. Mag-subscribe na yan. So, pagod talaga guys. So, kahit napagod, okay lang kasi nag-enjoy naman yung mga bata kasi naglaro. Especially si King, laro ng laro. King, you hit your eyes twice, isn't it today? How is it now? Basta bangga pala yung kota niya, yung dito niya. What happened?
Okay.
Nabangga yung ulo niya doon sa lamesa twice pa. No, what happened with that?
Yeah, it fell. Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
No way. Why like that?
I didn't know that.
Is it earthquake?
No.
Earthquake.
What is that?
It's a birds. Ay! No, that's a... Birds. God. Ayan, si Ayla Bella. Ayla Susana. Ayla Susana. Ang baby ni Mami Be. Wow, look at that. Hi. Baby. Hi. Hi, Ayla. You right? Oh, you got Teddy. This is so cute. It's not a dummy. Are you looking for your dummy? Where's your dummy? Here we go. Where's the dummy? Say hi, guys. Hi, guys. You go sleep, okay? Mommy gonna wash some clothes. Okay, Kuya Christian is there. Oh. Kuya Christian is there. Yeah. Yeah, you're right, King. Christian, okay? Handsome ni Christian, guys. Look at Christian, guys. So very handsome, oh. Look at that handsome chop. What is this foot? Look at this handsome chop, guys. Look. Tignan nyo how handsome Christian is. Tignan nyo, guys. Oh, like that. Pretty little boy. Say hi, Auntie.
Yeah, you guys.
Say hi, Auntie. Say hi. Say hi, Auntie, first. You look tired. Oh, what's that, hi? What's that, hi?